Good evening, good morning, ma'am. My name is Prince Christian Deniz. I will report the final coverage of SDI 4. So, traffic ecology and economic. The 5 pillars of traffic management. So, ano is may nakabatang ano yan siya. The study of the potentially disastrous population explosion, change in the urban environment due to the scale and density of new urban concentration and new activities carried out, air population, water population, and crowding, especially transport congestion, which result therein. So, one is my environmental effects. Uh, environmental effects of traffic development. So, one is noise, vibration or pollution, dirt, visual intrusion, loss of privacy, change in amount of light, neighborhood surveillance, relocation, destruction during planning and construction, accident experience, pedestrian journey, congestion, and other benefits to vehicular. So, may mga law ko na concerning traffic ecology. I mean, PD 1181 providing for prevention control, abatement of air population from motor vehicle. So, may iton PD 1181. So, ano kita sa LOI 551, directing law enforcement agencies to implement the population control programs. Meaning siya mag-direct sa law enforcement agency para ma-implement ang population control programs. So, RA 8749 Philippine Clean Air of 1999. So, ano sa traffic economic, so this focus on the traffic system impacts on an area economic prosperity and product pricing and supply. Heavy traffic congestion can significantly affect traffic productivity and business ability to receive essential supplies, and uncongested traffic system boosts economic value by ensuring smooth access for worker and supplies. So, ano sa traffic economic, ano isa mag-focus sila sa traffic system effects sa area ng economic or economic prosperity, para para ang ila product is ma pricing o